What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of LuckyCatchTV. Now, it is the first real nice fall day here in Florida. The first day that feels like fall anyway. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and it's in the lower 50s right now. So it is a nice cool day. I think the high today is like 72. I mean, just couldn't ask for better weather. I'm gonna do some fishing this morning. I think I'm gonna throw some top water until the sun really starts coming down, and then we'll play around and see what they're biting on. But man, just gorgeous weather, gorgeous day. So tune in, man. Hopefully this nice weather will bring the bite up. So check it. Alright, y'all, so we have made it. Starting to warm up a little now that the sun's out, but it's a gorgeous day out. Beautiful day. Oh, nice. First cast. Ah! I missed him. There we go. Gotcha. No, what the How did I miss him twice? Got him now. No. What the hell? He keeps taking me into the grass, huh? I had two good blow-ups. One of them hit it 3 times in a row, and I still managed to miss him. Well, guys, tough bite today. I'm going to hit one more spot, and I'm gonna get out of here. So I guess the fish are hiding, trying to stay warm. You know, we don't get very many cool days in Florida, and it when it goes from 80 to 50 in 24 hours, these fish might be a little confused. Alright, guys, so if you couldn't already tell, it's been a super slow fishing day. I had one fish hit the top water, hit that buzz bait 3 times. 3 times. He gave me 3 shots at him, and I still lost him. So then I switched over to, by the way, my memory card filled up. So that's why I couldn't, I missed you guys missed most of the day. But anyway, after that fish gave me 3 chances to catch him, and I didn't do it, I switched over to a chatterbait with a little swim trailer on the back. I threw that for a little bit. I did end up catching a couple little fish on that. I did not get it on film because my memory card filled up. So I've been filming. Every time I go fishing, I bring this little camera with me. Some days I have good days, sometimes I have bad days. This was one of my bad days. So I'll throw in a couple catches from one of the videos I didn't post. So that way it looks like I catch fish at least. But here's that. Got one. Woo! Got one, bro. Not very big, but huh? Yeah. God, he choked that down, bro. That was all the way in his mouth. So, first fish of the day. Not bad. He slammed that thing. He's got a little wound on his face. I don't know what happened there. But, not a bad fish. Beautiful color to him. There you go, buddy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more fishing videos. My birthday's coming up here in a couple weeks, and I'm hoping to get out on the big boat and try to go for like some sharks, something big. I want to catch something big, So I'm thinking shark. Maybe I'll go for like redfish and snook one of these days. Keep it interesting. It gets kind of boring going to the same old spots, catching the same old fish, We got to switch it up a little bit. So if that sounds like something you want to see, hit that subscribe button and tune in. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.